welcome to our new video. Today, we are going to learn about the polyhedron and the non-polyhedron.
Have you ever heard of polyhedron and non-polyhedron? I guess it might sound familiar to you. However, do you have any idea of the origin of its name and who discovered it? Maybe not, right? Well, don't worry. I'm here to talk about it.
Okay.
The word polyhedron comes from the classic Greek word pandoheion, as poly comes from stem of polys, which means many, plus hedron, form of a hedra, which means base or seat. Back then, during 3300 BC to 476 fall of Rome, the Etruscan preceded the Greeks in their awareness of at least some of the regular polyhedron. The regular polyhedron had a considerable influence to the Greek antiquity. For example, the Greek infrastructure. After the Etruscan, the Pythagoras of Samos is considered as the inventor of the regular dodecahedron. Then the Tete of Athena, which considered dead around 360 BC, discovered the regular octahedron and icosahedron. It seems that he was the first to construct the 5 regular polyhedron. And there were more who came after that who discovered more about polyhedron, including Euclid, who studied the regular polyhedra in his work The Element; Plato, who used the regular polyhedron in his philosophy by associating them with elements; and Archimedes, who gave the list of the 13 semi-regular polyhedron of the first kind. Then comes the Middle Age, who become less interested about polyhedron. However, after that, the 15th and the beginning of 16th century, where stars and non-convex polyhedron become more popular. It was during the time of Renaissance where artists like Piero della Francesca, Luca Pacioli, and Leonardo da Vinci, with his drawings of skeleton with semi-regular polyhedra. In the modern times, there was a specific person who revised the study of polyhedron and discovered the 2-star polyhedron. His name was Johannes Kepler, who is best known for his 3 laws of planetary motion and one of the most outstanding mathematicians during his days. In addition to his astronomical accomplishment, he systematized and extended all that was known about polyhedra in his time. After him, there were more people who tried to discover and use polyhedron. Specifically during the contemporary age, where people like Louis Poinsot, Agustin Cauchy, Eugene Catalan, Joseph Bertrand, and other more people who tried to discover more about polyhedron. And even these days, our infrastructure and other things we own resemble the shape of a polyhedron. Was it fun going back to the history of polyhedron? Well, there are more to talk about polyhedron. Next to me is Mr. Leonard, who will talk about the definition and different types of polyhedron and non-polyhedron.
Hello everyone, I'm Leonard Bahenting and I will discuss polyhedron and non-polyhedron. So what is polyhedron? A polyhedron is a solid figure with many plane faces, typically more than 6. Polyhedron comes from Greek word poly, meaning many, and hedron, referring to surface. The polyhedrons are defined by the numbers of faces it has. Polyhedron composed of face, edge, and vertex. What is face? Face is the flat surface that make up a polyhedron. Edge, the regions where the 2 flat surfaces meet to form a line segment. Vertex, it is the point of intersection of the edges of the polyhedron. So now let's discuss non-polyhedron. So what is non-polyhedron? Non-polyhedron are cones, sphere, cylinder, and torus. they have side that is not a polyhedron, and they do have curves. These are the example of non-polyhedron: the cylinder, cone, sphere, and torus. So now, let's see more examples from the blog of Adrian Pacatang and Althea Cortez.
Hello guys, welcome to our vlog. My name is Adrian Pacatang, the first vlogger of polyhedron. So we have the example of polyhedron. So refrigerator is a square prism, and the base of refrigerator is a square, and the four side. So this is a polyhedron. So the next is we have another example of polyhedron. So let's go. So Ayrton is a rectangular, and the base of Ayrton is rectangular also. So this is a polyhedron. Also, the last, we have the last example of polyhedron. The box is a polyhedron because this is a perfect square. So the side is a perfect square. So this is a polyhedron. So that is the example of polyhedron. So the next vlogger will be discuss the example of the non-polyhedron. Peace.
Hey guys, I am the second vlogger and I'm going to show you the examples of non-polyhedron. But before anything else, let us first know what is non-polyhedron. Non-polyhedron are shapes which sides are not polygons and they have curved surfaces. So now let's proceed with the examples. I have here three examples. We have cone, cylinder, and sphere. As you can all observe, these examples doesn't have any polygonal shapes. Its surface are curved and its base are all circles. That's why it is considered as non-polyhedron. So you might be curious, why did we choose this topic? With no further ado, let's answer that question with the next video. Bye!
So, why did we choose this topic? We choose this topic because polygons are useful in our daily lives. From the floor designs to a rectangular or square-shaped buildings, we use polygons. Even the front of the television is a rectangular shape. So, we choose this topic because we use polygons in our daily life almost at every moment.
Good day everyone, I am John Mark Silawan, the last but not the least vlogger. Our topic are all about polyhedron and non-polyhedron. My fellow vlogger already tackled about what is polyhedron and non-polyhedron are for, and how it is useful and important. And I wish all of you are still watching and listen. Here are some examples that we can say that polyhedron and non-polyhedron is noticeable in everyday life. Polyhedron, it includes pyramid, football, houses, bricks. In non-polyhedron, it includes cone, sphere, cylinders, coffee mug, so on and so forth. It helps us and guide us to easily determine the structure if it is polyhedron and non-polyhedron. Therefore, identifying polyhedron and non-polyhedron will give you more knowledge towards common structure uses in the buildings, houses, transportation, and many more. And that's why non-polyhedron and polyhedron are very relevant in our everyday living.
Wow!
Even though it has different meaning, shape, size, and formations. That's it! Thank you for watching everyone, and I hope all of us will understand and get some informations and ideas. Lastly, I would like to say thank you to our teacher, Sir Campania. Thank you for the sacrifices, of course, and happy Teacher's Day. Thank you. God bless us all. And keep safe, everyone.
Hi guys, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new and don't forget to don't forget to rate us a perfect score. Bye!